About to leave, already packing, come with me.
All right, y'all, I'm gonna show you the best part first. Check out this balcony. We are at Unico 2087. These are the pools. It's in a U shape. We're on the top floor, Ocean View King. Check out that view. And as an option, they have swim up rooms down on the first floor. I think that's really neat. Take a nice hot or cool bath on the balcony. We plan on having breakfast right here in the morning. Let's go back inside. They even put towels out here for us. We don't even have to think about bringing them out here. All right, Scott got me a little scooter to scoot around in. Scott's ready to go to the pool already. You want to wave at everybody, baby? Baby, this is a fancy coffee maker for the morning. Oh, is it like kind of like Nespresso?
Yeah.
Snacks, ice. They even filled up our fridge for us.
That's exactly what it is. It's an
It's a little
espresso.
Nespresso machine.
Mm-hmm.
And beer, water, sodas. Ooh, the light comes on automatically. Okay, that's cool. Extra pillows, extra blankets, robes. I didn't even have to bring my robe. And they left 2 hats here for us. I think we're gonna decorate those. That's gonna be fun. And this goes on the door for do not disturb. That's cute. Everything is so nice here. All right, check out this bathroom. I like how you can see through to the good view. And they have slippers for us. Oh, and if we wanted to weigh, I don't think we'll be doing that. Hair dryer, towels, extra towels. You can never have too many hand towels. That's a great idea. So pretty. Okay, and this is our shower. Wow, Scott's gonna be happy. I don't know if you remember in another video I talked about why he didn't have a stool to put his foot up on to wash his feet. And I have to do that too now, so I think that comes with older age. Nice. And then this little room that has a toilet in it. You can close yourself off. Nice barn door to close.
We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.